Hey, how's it going, everybody? Just got a package in the mail. It's from VRSF for my F80 M3 that I just picked up, which is this right here. So I'll be taking this car to the track. I've already done a few modifications to it. Pop the hood real quick. So it's mainly stock, but it's got a tune and water methanol injection, like I said, on the Mishimoto charge pipes. So today I'm going to be adding the VRSF dual intake system here. So I'll do a quick video of this. I was actually just got done mounting that crankshaft in the 97 M3 track car build, but had to take a break to do this real quick. I've been wanting this car to sound a little better, so we'll get the intakes on and see how this thing sounds. I'm gonna first start by removing all this trim. Those are just quarter turner clips there. Side cutters sometimes work pretty good for these clips here. That one's brace. Alright, now that that's out of the way, we can start moving the intakes. Alright, old intakes are out. Let's open up the new batch. Couple stickers. Those clamps. This side pipe, that side, one, and these are obviously air filters. It looks like these must be the screws to install the mass airflow sensors in the new pipes. So I'm going to go ahead and start by swapping those mass airflow sensors. Okay, no need for this anymore. Find the right Allen size. It looks like those are 2.5. Some scratches on it. Looks like there's an arrow for flow, and they put an arrow on here. So you put it on the right way. But I don't think you can even put it on the wrong way. I think it's only one way anyway. Anytime I have O-rings that are tight fit, I like to use a silicone lubricating compound, so I used when I was a BMW tech. Stuff works really nice. A little bit. Just gonna run it around this O-ring here. Just so we don't tear it putting it in. This should slide right in now. Don't have to be real tight. Alright, so that goes to there. So I'm going to move this 13. Alright, so that's connected, that back on, that's tight. Tighten this up here. Let's get into the next pipe. Swap the mass airflow onto this one. Do the same thing, put a little bit of lubricating compound on the O-ring. Arrows lined up. Alright, so I think on this side I need to put that silicone coupler right here. Connect it over there. Okay, so I got that off. Came with some supplied clamps here. Excuse me. Before I tighten this up, I'm going to make sure I have a good orientation on it so it doesn't interfere with anything. Alright, that looks pretty good, so I'm going to tighten everything up. I got plenty of clearance. Check the other side too. Perfect. Alright, so I'm just going to button everything up here. So I took it apart. All right, and just like that, it's all done. Pretty quick, simple install. Just to sum it up, let's get a close up. Get this intake here. All the way down here, there's that silicone coupler with 2 clamps. Got the 1 clamp there. This fitting here. Mounts right there. There's the other filter. Overall, it's a pretty quick, straightforward install. So we'll have to do some videos and see how it sounds. So that about sums up for today, but thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for some more videos. Make sure to hit that like if you like the video, and subscribe if you like to see more content. Doing a quick sound clip so you guys can hear how this intake sounds. Definitely wakes the car up with sound, but I know it doesn't add horsepower, but it's totally worth it for the sound. RPM. I'll do a quick pull here once I get around this corner. Open, it doesn't seem like it makes a huge difference, but it's mainly on like part throttle. You can hear that. Makes it more fun. I'm gonna try doing the sound one more time with the window open here. Might be a little wind noise, but might be able to hear the intakes a little better. I honestly think the exhaust might actually pop more with this intake on it.